stop eating this. You are literally increasing your acne. Hi, I'm Dr. Arushi Dudeja. I'm an MD dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon. So in today's video, we'll be discussing a little bit about few food items जो आपके acne को trigger कर रहे हैं and unknowingly we are having it in our day-to-day meal every day. सबसे पहले जो हमें avoid करना है is the dairy products. Dairy products basically what it does is आपके insulin levels को बढ़ाता है. Insulin level के spike आने की वजह से a lot of hormonal disturbances might happen, जिसकी वजह से आपको PCOS, PCOD हो सकता है और acne भी trigger हो सकता है. So dairy products में in particular you have to avoid milk, paneer and cheese. Curd, yogurt and other things like buttermilk, they are fine. उसमें कोई issue नहीं है. Second thing you have to avoid is sugar. I'm not saying completely बंद करना है, but हमें थोड़ा सा check रखना है. And sugar में भी जो natural sugars होती हैं जैसे fruits वगैरह में, that's perfectly fine for you. I would advise जो hidden sugars होती हैं उस पे we have to take care. जैसे for example biscuits, cookies, ice creams, chocolates. And one of the most common things, like when we go out, we just want to have our mojitos, soft drinks. So basically all the processed drinks and food items जिसमें sugar रहता है, you have to avoid that. That is the main culprit. Third one is gluten. Gluten also sometimes what it does is it causes inflammatory acne in your body. So ये तीन चीज़ों का थोड़ा you have to take care of. And yes, of course, I forgot to tell you, refined flour, मैदा, उसको थोड़ा सा कम करना है आपको because it is difficult to digest, heavy on the gut, so it might cause inflammatory acne. Now, तो फिर खाएं क्या? बचता क्या है? Now coming over to the items जो आपको लेना चाहिए to stop the trigger of acne. First of all, हम बात करेंगे anti-inflammatory diet की. Anti-inflammatory diet में usually जो चीज़ें रहती हैं वो हैं berries, millets और nuts, seeds, ये सब रहता है. And what it does is ये basically आपका जो inflamed acne है, जो उसके triggers हैं, उसको settle down करता है और existing swollen acne को वो soothe out करता है. Then we come on to antioxidants. So antioxidants में there are green leafy vegetables, आप legumes रहते हैं आपकी जैसे दाल्स वगैरह रहता है, वही again nuts वगैरह रहता है. So antioxidants क्या करेंगे? It basically जो आपके skin को damage हुआ है उसको repair करने में help करता है. Third, we come on to low glycemic index food and hormone stabilizing ones. So, जैसे मैंने बताया कि insulin level spike आता है तो acne trigger होता है. So, इनको कम करने के लिए जो food items responsible हैं, हम उनके बारे में discuss करेंगे. Those are millets, my ultimate favorite and superfood item. So, millets is something you should really incorporate in your diet. Then we come on to millets के बाद quinoa, vegetables as much as you can have. And then nuts and seeds again, berries of course, it's very important, and carrots. इनके लिए I would vouch for. Then we come on to the food items जो थोड़ा सा in general water जो hydration provide करते हैं आपको, जैसे cucumbers हो गया, watermelon हो गया, ये fruits जो भी जिन water content is a lot. So seasonal fruits ज़रूर you have to take, seasonal vegetables ज़रूर लीजिए, and जो आपके seasonal fruits and vegetables नहीं, I would advise please उसको avoid कीजिएगा. For a sample daily menu and a customized skin regime to get to know how your skin responds to different products, please you can follow the link in the description. Thank you.